Updating your payment information on Xbox is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign into your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once signed in, locate the account or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or settings area of the app or website. Step 3. Access payment and billing. In account settings, find the payment and billing option. Click on it to view your current payment methods and billing information. Step 4. Update payment information. Select the option to edit or add a payment method. Enter your new payment details, such as credit card information or PayPal account, and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment details have been successfully updated. Now you can enjoy your Xbox gaming experience without any interruptions due to outdated payment information.